Now we completed FRM sales entry table, FRM sales entry form, and FRM sales detail forms like this. Now the next form we should create is how to create a customer form. So there, when we create customer form, we have to link customer table. Now I am going to create customer form, then click on the create tab, then take a blank form, then I want to save my form. FRM customer is the form name. Then go to design view and right click, then select properties. Then I want to set the record set for my form. So record source is customers. Then I want to add form header. Then go to design tab and select label. Then their type customer. Customer details, and increase the font size. Click on the home tab and increase the font size, just say 22. Then drag the label. Now you can change the font color like this. Yes, customer, CUSTOMER, customer details. Okay, now I want to place several text boxes like this. Then I want to set the control source like this. Let's say first one I set control source to customer ID, and for the second one control source is customer name, then customer contact information, and the final one is customer ID, customer name, contact info, and address. Okay, customer ID, this is name, and this is contact, and this is address. Like this. This is the customer form, and after that I want to create a form to enter product details. So under the product form, create blank form, then give name for product form, FRM product. Go to design view, then right click and select properties. Again we have to select the controls record source. Here the record source is products. Then right click there, select form header, then go to click on the design tab, select label, and name it as product details. Product details. Now you can change the font size to 22, then font color to, let's say, red. Now you need to add text boxes like this. Change the font size to 20. Sorry, yeah, let's reduce font size to say 60. Now this is for product ID. This is for product name, and this one is to product description, and this is for product price. Just say ID, name, description, price. This is our product form. Now all the forms are designed. Now we have 4 forms for our advanced sales tracking system. First one is customer, FRM customer, FRM product, and sales detail form and sales main form. Now next step is to create reports. So how to create report and what are the reports we should create under this sales tracking system. So first of all, we have to create a sales summary report. To create a sales summary report, just go to create tab, then click on the just say report wizard. Click on the report wizard. So once you click the report wizard, so here we are going to prepare a sales summary report. So to prepare sales summary report, you have to select sales summary query, sales summary query as the data source. Therefore, from this drop down, just select QRY sales, this one. So it includes sales ID, sales date, customer ID, and total amount. Yes, now you select all the fields and click on the next tab. So under the grouping, you have to group like this. Include grouping by customer and sales date. You have to group your form by customer and sales ID, like this. Then next, select sales date. Next, yes, now our sales summary report is like this. Okay, so this is the customer ID and where is the sales ID. Just a sales ID. Now you can right click and go design view. So here you, if you wish, you can adjust your columns accordingly. Now like this. Yes, you can say, you can change the label of your table as sales summary report. Yes, this is a sales summary report. So go to the layout view. Now you can adjust everything as you wish. Like this, you can add. Now sales summary report. Okay. So what is the next report we have to create? Next report is detailed sales report. So how to create detailed sales report? So when we prepare detailed sales report, we have to use detailed sales report query as the data source. We have to use detailed sales report query as the data source. There we have to include details, line items for each sale, format report to include headers, footers, and total calculations. So here again click on the create tab, then report wizard. So under the report wizard, you need to select QRY detail report. Then likewise send all the fields to selected fields. Then next, next, then press finish. Yes, now this is the sales detail report. So we can rename this one as sales or not detailed sales report. Right, select all things, click on the home tab and like this. Right, likewise. Now this is a detailed sales report. Now we have two reports in our advanced sales tracking system. First one is query sales and second one is sales. Now basic part of our sales tracking system is finished. Okay, now we can create a small dashboard for our advanced sales tracking system. So go to create tab and select blank report. Control S, save FRM dashboard. Then right click, go to design view. So right click and add a form header. Then home tab, design tab, label, dashboard. Just say advanced sales tracking system. Click on the home button. Like this. Now this is the what we call the dashboard. So therefore under the dashboard you can select or you can create dashboard form with buttons, navigate to different parts of the system. For example, if I want to enter sales, then I can create a button. For example, under design, go to design tab, then click a button and place your button here. Then under the record operations, you can record navigation, form operations, you can add a open form. Then click next. So I want to add open FRM customer. Open form. You can say customer. Right, like this. This is the first button of our dashboard. So once user click on the customer, what happens? Customer form open like this. Now likewise we can add other buttons in your dashboard. So my next button is enter sales. Right, next, finished. Now change the size of your button like this, then drag it somewhere, drag and keep it somewhere else. Now select the customer, then format paint, and now click on this one. Yeah, now this is the second button. So once you click on the enter sales, it opens what we call enter sales form. So now again, just say I want to open a report. Okay, I want to open this one. Just again click on the button and place a button under the report operations, preview report. Now I want to preview query sales, right? Home tab, then format paint and like this. Okay, now save. Now if I want to open sales report, just click on this one. You can see my sales report is preview like this. So likewise, you can basically build your own sales tracking system using Microsoft Access. So I think first part of our sales tracking system is over because basic setup is done, and you saw how to create tables, queries, forms and reports for our sales tracking system. So you can develop this database according to your needs. So later on I will explain you how to automate this database using VBA code. So the first part, basic designing of sales tracking system, is over. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under video comment section.